Do you know how objects in Python automatically initialize themselves or how one function can do multiple tasks at once? That's the magic of constructor and method overloading in object-oriented programming. In this video, we will break these two powerful concepts step by step, so by the end, you will be able to create flexible and smart Python programs easily. Let's talk about what is constructor. In Python, a constructor is a special method that runs automatically when an object is created from a class. It's mainly used to initialize the object's data, just like setting up the blueprint of a building before it's built. Let's see an example. When we create an object S1, Python automatically calls the init method. This method sets up the initial values for the object's attributes. In this case, the student's name and age. The constructor method in Python is always written as def, init, and self. The self is the keyword refers to current instance of the class. In some languages like Java or C++, constructor have the same name as the class, but in Python, init is the universal name. Let's talk about how many types of constructor. There are mainly three types of constructors you will hear about in object-oriented programming. First one is default constructor, that is no parameters, just run automatically. And the second one is parameterized constructor, that means takes arguments to initialize data. And the last one is non-parameterized constructor, that has only self as a parameter. Let's see an example. Here C1 gets the default value unknown while C2 uses the given brand name Tesla. That's the beauty of constructor. They help objects start their journey with proper data. Now let's move on to the method overloading, one of the coolest of features. In many programming languages, method overloading means having multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. However, in Python, true method overloading does not exist like in Java or C++. Instead, Python allows us to achieve a similar effect using default parameters or variable arguments. Let's see an example of default parameters. Here we are technically using one method add, but with different numbers of arguments. So thanks to default values, it works like multiple versions of the same method. That's method overloading Python style. Let's combine the both concept. Constructor and method overloading often work together in real projects. You might use constructor to initialize data and overloaded methods to perform flexible operation. Here is an example. This versions how Python allows you to combine both ideas, initialization through constructors and flexibility through overload methods. So that's all about constructors and method overloading in Python. Two key OOP tools that make your code smarter and cleaner and reusable. If this video helped you understand this concept better, smash the like button and subscribe to CodeNFacts for more Python and OOP videos every day. And comment below which OOP topics should I explain next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.